Look at this gorgeous sunset shot at Fair Park here. Beautiful afternoon on a Friday. Mariel Ruiz is here with a last look at weather in the 4 o'clock hour here.
Yeah, you know what? We've had a really beautiful day. It was off to kind of a chilly start. I don't know if you were out and about early.
I washed my car at 8 a.m. this morning because it was filthy.
You washed your car?
Yes. How bad is that? Huh?
Yeah, well, I mean, we did have that front come through late last night, and because of where it was coming, it was also dry, so it was pushing in a little bit of dust from West Texas. I don't know if you saw that, but
it's already on my hood. I saw it when I pulled in here.
It's already here, yeah. So you may be feeling that, especially if you are sensitive to dust with your allergies. But for this afternoon, I mean, we made it to about 61 degrees at DFW, which is right at normal for this time of the year. And look at how close our normal low was. It's supposed to be chilly in the mornings. It's December. Normal low is about 41. But today we did drop to about 44 degrees. I think if we didn't have that fog overnight, it would have dropped a few more degrees. Nowhere near the records, though. 83 for the high, 24 for the low. We did not pick up any moisture today. All of that was yesterday. And again, welcome to December. By the time we reach the end of the month, our high temperature drops to about 56 degrees, and that's what's normal. That's not to say that we won't see any cold snaps, but normal lows, 41 at the beginning of the month, 36 by the end of the month. December usually sees about 2.84 inches of rainfall. It's right around the middle in terms of greatest to lowest amount of rainfall in the month, and we do lose about 9 minutes of daylight between now and December 21st. That's when we reach our winter solstice. Our December outlook for the whole state really is trending warmer than normal, and we definitely see that on the 14-day that I'll show you. But above normal temperatures really stretch into the southeast. Here's a look at a beautiful, beautiful sunset. This is our Cedar Hill camera, temperature of 58 degrees. Again, beautiful blue sky. Well, I am expecting the temperature to dip to about 52 degrees around 7, 48 degrees around 9. And at midnight, winds are going to be a lot lighter. That's when temperatures will take a dip into the mid 40s, and that's when that fog will start to develop. Temperatures will drop into the low 40s, though, for our Red River counties, maybe a few upper 30s, but for the most part, we'll stay in the mid 40s anywhere in the Metroplex and south. Here's a look at some of that fog developing. I'm showing you here. This is Saturday around 5 in the morning. You'll see that fog stretching anywhere from western Tarrant County towards the Red River. I think it'll be most dense east of I-35. I am expecting this to stick around for the first few hours of the day Saturday. I just took you through 9 there. A lot of this could be in the form of cloud cover too. As we approach mid-morning, that fog starts to lift, and you'll see it more as kind of a cloudy start to the day. But by the afternoon, this is really going to start to thin out from west to east, and we'll see a beautiful afternoon with a southwest wind. Temperatures are going to soar to near 70 degrees. That's well above what's considered normal this time of the year by about 9 degrees. 70 in Denton, about 65 in McKinney, mid 60s for our Red River counties, and the upper 60s for our western counties. So tonight, a temperature of about 44 degrees. Do expect to see some of that patchy fog with a light northeast wind. Tomorrow, it'll be warmer. It's going to be breezy at times, especially in the afternoon, with the temperature reaching 70 degrees. The 14-day forecast showing the upper 60s on Sunday. And then next week, I mean, the mornings are going to stay rather chilly. We'll be in the mid 40s every morning. We'll slowly climb into the upper 60s by the end of the week. And then the following week, we don't have any freezes between now and the middle of December, but it does look like we start to see a little bit of rain coverage come next weekend. As of now, it looks pretty low, 62 degrees for the end of next week. And we do have a few 50s there as we approach the middle of December. But again, I don't have any